Maintenance runs are silent by default. The app does its work without sending anything. When you run maintenance across many sites and step away while it works, email reports tell you how it went. No need to watch the screen. You can also be alerted instantly the moment a site has an issue. In this video, we will configure SMTP, choose how often we get notified, and send a test email. Let's begin. From the dashboard toolbar, open Settings, then Notification Settings. A modal opens with every email-related option. A note at the top reminds you, email is entirely optional. You can leave every field blank and maintenance will still run normally. At the top, the project name field. Whatever you enter here is shown at the start of every email subject. For example, if you enter Layerworks Maintenance Agent, your inbox will show subjects like Layerworks Maintenance Agent Maintenance Report. This is the label that helps you tell these emails apart from everything else in your inbox. Below project name, the SMTP server settings. Enter your email provider's outgoing mail credentials, host, port, usually 587, username, and password. If your provider requires an app-specific password or two-factor authentication token, generate it in their account settings first and paste that here instead of your regular login. On the right side of the modal, the email addresses section. From address. What shows up in the recipient's inbox as the sender? It's commonly the same as your SMTP username. To address, where reports and alerts are delivered. This is the address you will be checking. You can use the same address for both or send to a separate inbox like a team alert address, whatever fits your workflow. Below the addresses, 4 notification timing modes. The default, immediate error alerts plus completion summary, sends an instant email whenever a site fails, plus a full summary after the whole batch finishes. You never miss anything. Immediate error alerts only. Only an email if something breaks. No email for clean runs. Great for keeping your inbox quiet on healthy days. Completion summary only. 1 email after all sites finish. Good for smaller batches where a single overview is enough. No notifications. Email is fully disabled. Maintenance still runs, just silently. Pick the one that matches your operation style. Before saving, click Send Test Email at the bottom. The app pushes a sample email through your SMTP settings to the To address. Within a few seconds, it should land in your inbox. If something is wrong host, wrong password, or a missing app password, you will see the error right here before any real maintenance starts. Once the test email arrives cleanly, click Save. Your notification settings are now active. That is how to configure email reports and alerts in WP Maintenance Manager.